In the heart of the coal stockpile, a Sunward Excavator stands between towering mounds of raw material, ready for action. With precise movements, it begins the crushing process, breaking down oversized coal into manageable, uniform pieces. This operation is vital to ensure efficiency in transport, stability in quality, and readiness for the next phase, sales and distribution. Crushing at the stockpile is more than just reducing size. It prepares coal to meet market specifications and supports the entire supply chain. Each bucketful contributes to streamlining coal flow from mine to market, maintaining consistency and productivity. This is crushing, where heavy machinery and precision work turn raw potential into ready resources.
Puasa kiri. Yol. Bagus benar ini tidak. Dari posisi sama tadi dal. Kiri, MTG pentol, ramles kori. Tege. Komando penumpuan. Oke, mantap.